Building on our belief to give back to the community, our team of volunteers sparked joy through virtual workshops for over 200 students from our NGO partner Shanti Bhavan Residential School.
I enjoy mental maths.
I enjoy dancing and art.
Today we have Walmart with us to help us dance, sing, draw, paint, etc. It will be fun. Come, let's go. Good morning and welcome Walmart. Yay!
Your tricks in math will surely help us ace in our coming up exam.
We enjoy your class. Bye! Thank you, Walmart.
We had great fun participating in all these events organized by the Walmart team.
Thank you!
I would like to thank the entire Walmart team on behalf of the Shanti Bhavan family for helping and assisting us in everything we do. We really appreciate your support. Once again, thank you!
We are grateful to each and every one of our associates who volunteered to help us bring joy to the students.